Hi, my name is Mike Mahon from the SMA Solar Academy. In this tech tip, we're going to cover the installation of SunSpec certified rapid shutdown receiver. This device, when paired with any of SMA's current residential or 1000-volt commercial string inverters, provides full compliance to 2017, 2020, or 2023 NEC 690.12b2 via the 80-volt limit. The device we will be covering in this video is the APsmart RSD-S-PLC device. This device has been certified by SunSpec and also tested by SMA for full compatibility with our current residential and commercial inverters that have a built-in SunSpec certified shutdown transmitter. Please note that only SMA approved devices are allowed to be paired with our inverters. The RSD-S-PLC works with modules up to 80 volts, 15 amps continuous current, and 550 watts. The output leads are 1.2 meters in length, and the connectors can be specified at ordering. This unit comes with the MC4 standard connector. Please note that all modules in the array must be equipped with a receiver to meet the requirements of 2017, 2020, or 2023 rapid shutdown. The device is mounted on the module frame using the two clips on the body.
Always verify that all manufacturer's requirements on clearances are followed when installing the APsmart RSD-S-PLC unit.
Once the receiver is installed, the module junction box leads are attached to the short receiver input leads. Please note the module connection must be made before the series connections are assembled between the modules. If the unit needs to be removed, the output leads must be disconnected first. It's important to remember that the receiver will stay in shutdown mode until it receives the keep alive or permission to operate signal from the SunSpec certified transmitter in the inverter. That is, independent of the VOC of the module, until the device receives the keep alive signal, it will remain at a very low voltage. The APsmart RSD-S-PLC has a shutdown voltage of between 0.6 and 1.0 volts DC. APsmart makes a device called the RSD-EYE that can test the function of the rapid shutdown receiver. With the device connected to its module, connect the RSD-EYE leads to the output leads of the receiver. With the EYE connected to the rapid shutdown receiver, press and hold the button marked A to send the permission to operate signal. If the rapid shutdown receiver is working properly, the LED above the A button will glow green and a continuous tone will be heard. When done testing, remove the EYE leads from the rapid shutdown receiver. After any input wire management is done, the module is ready for installation. Once all the modules have been connected to their shutdown receivers and the output leads between modules connected as strings, the strings can then be connected to an SMA inverter equipped with the built-in SunSpec certified transmitter. When the inverter's transmitter is turned on, the shutdown receivers will allow their modules to operate, and the string voltages will change to the appropriate open circuit voltages based on module type and number of modules in each string. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the installation of the APsmart RSD-S-PLC. If you'd like to learn more, please visit the product page at sma-america.com. My name is Mike Mahon from the SMA Solar Academy. Thanks for joining us.